If there's one thing I learned from Coach Kung Fu, Coach Kung Fu was my coach when I was probably 20 years ago. So we're together now 20 years ago, but 20 years ago na po. But yeah, I've been with Coach Kung Fu since I was 12 years old, and right now I'm just so happy working with him, trying to share the knowledge I've learned from him as well. And I think one thing I've learned from Coach Kung Fu, ito tatagalogin ko kasi Tagalog yung sinabi. Nagsiset ups kami, if I remember it correctly. And then siguro, mga pinapagawa nila sa amin was at least 100 set-ups. Ang hirap ng training, no? But pinapagawa nila sa amin mga 100 set-ups. And then, syempre, there are moments when you feel like giving up. Most especially at the very last rep. Tapos sinabi niya sa amin, what if that one rep will make a big difference? What if that one rep will make you win a championship? So every little thing counts. So hopefully, lahat ng maliliit na bagay that you feel like it's boring, hopefully, huwag kayong mag-work kasi that will make you a better athlete and a better individual. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this today.